Sir, homework also.
Case 2. When two vectors are in opposite direction. हेलो, तो 3 पेपर और रह गया था, वो भेजा है मैंने। हाँ, 12th का करना है, दूसरा इवनिंग बैच वाला, उसके बाद आर बैच, फिर हो गया पेपर। हाँ, उसके बाद 3 पेपर और भेजना है मेरे को, 2 पेपर। वो आईएससी वाला अपन जो फोन चालू करके करते हैं ना वैसा। हाँ। When two vectors are in opposite direction, can you tell me what is angle between them?
180 degree.
Correct, 180 degree. What is cos 180? -1. So resultant amplitude is root of p square plus q square plus 2pq into cos theta will become p square plus q square plus 2pq minus 1. R equals to root of p square minus 2pq plus q square. R equals to root of p minus q square. R equals to p minus q. What is meaning of this two line?
Mod.
Modulus, yes. This means if inside we get minus, outside will be plus.
Yes.
See, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Can I say it is same as b square minus 2ab plus a square? Both are same.
Yes.
ये b I wrote first, a I wrote later. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? a minus b the whole square.
Yeah.
And this is b minus a the whole square.
Yes.
But a minus b and b minus a, are they same? Say
No.
no. To make it same, if I take minus common, here I write a minus b and put modulus, it will be same now.
Yes.
Because when it comes outside, it will be a minus b. So that's why, because p minus q, somebody can write that as q minus p. To make both same, we are taking modulus. Okay,
Yes.
follow the meaning? So
Yes, sir.
if this is p 10 and this is q 5, so I will say result is 10 minus 5, which is 5. But in the direction of p, because p is larger, correct?
Yes.
But if q is 10 and p is 5, then what is the result? Again 10 minus 5 or not?
Yes.
But q minus p I took or not?
Yeah.
That's why I'm putting modulus. Because if I write 5 minus 10, I will get minus 5. But
Yes.
when I bring it outside,
Yes.
will become 5. And it will be in the direction of Q. Tug of war you have played? Tug of war?
Yes, sir.
तो जिधर ज्यादा फोर्स उधर ही जाएगा ना सब लोग. If P is greater, result will be along P. If Q is greater, result will be along Q. So
Sir, I have a doubt here.
Hmm.
I mean, like, if P and Q both are same, then which side the direction would go?
No side direction will go. Result will become 0.
Okay, okay, sir.
If both are same, तो tug of war में क्या होता है? जगह पे हिलते रहते हैं ना ऐसे ही खाली.
Yes, sir.
So it will neither move right nor left. It will be stationary at that point. Clear? Meaning clear now?
Yes.
Okay, right, case 2. And that will become, Trisha, null vector.
Okay, sir.
You all have stick to that planner.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stick to it, yes, because as per that we'll have test.
Sir,
Watch.
141 to 175 was homework.
Whatever I have given, I am telling, please stick to that.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, wait.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Yeah. No. Now for direction, tan alpha is Q sine theta upon P plus Q cos theta. So Q sine 180 upon P plus Q cos 180. Q into 0, P plus Q into minus 1. That is 0 upon P minus Q equal to 0. Tan alpha 0. So alpha is tan inverse of 0. For which angle tan is 0?
0.
0. Here we'll write also for 180 it is 0. Because if this is P, this is Q. If P is greater, then R will be in the direction of P, making 0 angle with the P. Correct na? R matlab
Yes.
R is angle made with P. But if Q is greater 10 and P is smaller 5, then R will be in the direction of Q.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now with P, what angle it is making? 180.
180.
So either it can be 0 or 180 if we are finding difference. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you followed? When to write 0, when to write 180?
Yes, sir.
If P greater than 180, Q greater, sorry, P greater than 0, Q greater than 180.
180.
Yes. This is actually, this chapter is maths. Done?
1 minute. Sir.
Yes, yes. One more case, then I'm giving you 7 notes. Then next topic will do.
Sir, if the value of P is less than Q, then also it will come na 180 degree.
If less than Q, then only 180, na? Then it is in Q ka direction.
Okay, sir.
Because result is always along larger one. P bada, so P kya direction mein? So angle made by R with P is 0. Q
Yes.
bada, तो Q का डायरेक्शन में. Q का डायरेक्शन में मतलब P के साथ 180.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Shall I clear it off?
Yes.
Yes, Rishita, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Last line you are writing.
yes, sir. Done, sir.
Case 3. Two vectors are perpendicular. Therefore, theta will be 90 degree now.
Yes, sir.
What is cos 90? 0. So R is root of P square plus Q square
Q square minus
plus 2PQ
2PQ
cos theta.
cos theta.
But we got cos theta as 0 for
0.
cos 90. 0 into anything is what?
0.
0. So we get only P square plus Q square because this will become 0. Yep. Is it
Yes.
Pythagoras theorem, Gauravi? Hello, Gauri. Is it Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
When two vectors are perpendicular, result is found by Pythagoras theorem. Now, angle wala part. Tan alpha is q sin theta upon p plus q cos theta. So, tan alpha is q sin 90 upon p plus q cos 90. Tan alpha is q sin 90 is 1, cos 90 0. So tan alpha will be q upon p. That means this time you can't say what will be the value of angle because it depends upon q and p. If both are equal, 45 degree. Q bada, more than 45. Q chota, less than 45. Therefore, alpha equals to tan inverse, minus 1 is inverse, q upon p. Copy case 3. So we have done what are scalars, vector, distinguish, representation of vector by analytical method and graphical method, then define equal vector, opposite vector, null vector, unit vector, resultant vector, position vector, then triangle law, parallelogram law, cases.
Sir, so what will they ask in the exam? Like prove that two
They may
vectors
say
are.
using parallelogram law, obtain the condition when two vectors are perpendicular. Using parallelogram law.
So, sir, we will write this only now.
Only this case 3
Okay.
is right. But if they say derive parallelogram law and hence obtain condition when two vectors are perpendicular, so pura parallelogram law and third case only.
Okay, sir.
So you have to be very much careful in studies because I don't think that before December the schools and colleges will start. So 2-3 more months you have to be online. Hopefully your entire 12th will be offline. Once you complete, please guide me. Done?
Sir, wait, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Athura, you got your paper? Corrected paper?
Yes, sir.
MCQ part?
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha. But don't send late now. Why you send so late?
Sir, late.
You had not sent na, that paper. When you send the paper?
Sir, I don't know. Whenever I send the message, now it gets late to you, sir.
Late means it comes on the next day only.
Sir,
Just
I
take,
will send it from my father's number.
no, just take care ki whether it has gone or not. Take it. See. Can I clear now this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now few notes I am giving which is very important for solving MCQ. First point. When two vectors, so this you revise and keep in your brain because it will be useful in almost all the chapter. These 7 points which I am going to give now. When two vectors are equal, then what will be resultant? Add or subtract? What will be resultant? Add or subtract?
Addition.
Subtraction.
When two vectors are in same direction, then what you will do? Add or subtract?
Addition.
Addition.
Sir-
That means I wrote sum. When two vectors are in same direction, result will be always addition. When
Sir, but you said it will be null vector, then it should be zero vector, right? So it should be
I
zero.
removed that. I removed that. Now further I have written are in same direction.
Okay, okay. Sir.
Equal, then I cannot predict, then angle should be known whether they are in same or in opposite direction. When two vectors are in same direction, then resultant is sum. When two vectors are in opposite direction, then what is resultant?
Add subtraction of both of them, the higher one side will be taken.
Then resultant is called difference. So whenever they give two vectors are in same direction, instantly you should say that means result is addition. Opposite, subtraction. Third, when two vectors are perpendicular, then resultant is found by Pythagoras theorem. When two vectors are inclined at any angle, then resultant is found by parallelogram law. What is resultant by parallelogram law? Root of p square plus q square
Plus
plus
2
2
Q
cos theta.
cos theta.
Now copy 1, 2, 3, 4 point. This 4 points everybody knows. Next 3 point which I am giving only you will know. When two vectors are in same direction, then sum, opposite, difference, perpendicular, Pythagoras theorem, any angle, parallelogram law.
Done.
Everybody has done 4 points.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay.
One, sir.
Okay. Let everybody complete.
Done, sir.
Fifth point. When two vectors are equal and inclined by 120 degree, then resultant is same as given vector. Now see the meaning. If P and Q both are equal, suppose they are AA, I am telling result will be also A if angle is 120. That means P is A, Q is A, P is A, Q is A, cos 120. So 2A square plus 2A square cos 120 is minus half. Hello? What is cos 180?
Minus half.
Minus one.
Minus half. Minus half.
Half.
Yeah. So this 2 will get cancelled. Now 2A square minus A square is how much?
A square.
Root A square when comes outside will be A, na?
Yes.
So whenever two vectors are equal and inclined by 120, result is same as given vector. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now suppose they say one more example, you see, so that you understand properly. Any entrance exam they have told for college exam? College admission?
No,
Not yet?
not yet.
Okay.
Sir, Abhishek sir too.
You have, na? See,
Hello.
for college admission, there will be entrance exam. Are you aware of this?
No, sir, I'm not aware of this.
Okay. Still it is not officially declared. I will tell you the date. I will put on the group.
Or it is optional, maybe.
Ah,
Acha, they have given optional this one.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
came in Times of India. It was written optional.
Oh, acha, acha. So then you are not worried, na? Even if it comes, don't be worried. It will be same as 10th standard topic, MCQ type. It is optional given that is guaranteed.
Yes, sir. It was given in Times of India paper.
Acha, acha. So please you all visit the nearest colleges and tell them we want to take admission. Tie up wala. Tie up means you have to go only for practicals. Those who are in Mulund, they can try in Friends. They can go in MVM, which is at Mulund station, close to Mulund station. Or July, I will take one parents meeting there. I will tell your parents.
So, but I took in JV college.
Ah, no problem, no problem. Hello. हाँ sir. 100. बस. Yes. भेज देता हूँ. हाँ लिख हाँ वो लिखा है फॉर्म पे. Okay. अच्छा जस्ट मेरा हो गया सर. मैंने कल करा लिया अपना मॉड्यूल में आके. हाँ. ओके ठीक है जस्ट यस. हाँ ठीक यस ठीक. थैंक यू. हाँ दिया श्योर जरूर. अच्छा चलेगा. थैंक यू.
Sir,
If P is 10,
sir,
yes.
MVM means Mulund Vidya Mandir.
हाँ. हाँ. Gate number 1, yes. हाँ वो लैब जहाँ पे वहाँ पे है ना. अच्छा ठीक है. गेट नंबर 1, यस नो प्रॉब्लम. गेट नंबर 1. हाँ. चलो. If P is 10, Q is 10, and angle between them is 120, resultant you will write directly 10. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose they say this is one vector, this is another vector, this one is F, this is F, angle between them 120. What is resultant? You will say
F.
F, where it is acting at this bisector. Huh? Yaad rakhna hai. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, fifth point. When two vectors are equal, inclined by 120, resultant is same as given vector. Very important points we are writing now, 5th, 6th, 7th. It will save your time when you are doing MCQ. 6th. Complete 5th point first. Sixth one, when two vectors are equal and inclined by 60 degree, then resultant is root 3 times given vector. Is root 3 times given vector. Right, then I'm explaining.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a second.
Yes, done. Come on.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now see what is meaning of this. P is A, Q is A, 2AA, cos of 60 degree. That is 2A square plus 2A square cos 60 is half. 2 will get cancelled. So this will become root 3 A square, which is root 3 times A. That is what we wrote. Okay? Followed?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Suppose two vectors are equal and angle is 90. What is cos 90 tell? 0?
0.
0 into anything will become 0.
0.
So 2A square,
Root 2.
root 2A.
Yes.
Suppose ऐसा बोला है. One vector 10, other vector 10. They are perpendicular. What is resultant? 10 root 2. Okay?
Yes.
And if equal and 60, 10, 10, what will be result? Root 3 times 10. Equal and 120, 10, 10. Then what is result? 10 only. Followed?
Yes.
So 120 then same, 60 then root 3 times, 90 then root 2 times. So seventh point. When two vectors are equal and inclined by 90 degree, then resultant is root 2 times given vector. Okay, write this and then take 5 minutes. I will wait for you. Read from that parallelogram law, case 1, case 2, case 3 and note. Any doubt anywhere you find, you have to ask me. And then I'm starting with a new topic. Okay? Just write and
Yes.
read. Don't take tension. We will go very smoothly, making you understand everything. Mark what you are getting at this stage is actually commendable. But see, our competition is so stiff, every time you have to be close to total, if not exactly full. Krisha, what was your mark in MCQ?
So 112.
112. So you lost 2 questions.
Yeah.
Okay. Now try to come closer to 120.
Yes, sir.
I think Gaurav, it was 120 for you.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, great. Keep it up. Shruti, how many hours you study yesterday?
6.
6
6 and a
hours.
half.
6.5 hours you studied. Physics you are completing properly as per that given planner.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stick to it, everybody. I'm requesting to you all. Because only the deciding factor is physics, not at all bio and chemistry. Physics, if you are good, you will definitely enter in the good medical college. Because with this, your other subjects automatically gets lifted. Shruti, your total was also 112?
No, it was 104.
104, okay. Take care, huh?
Yes, sir.
Pratham, you have improved a lot, huh, Pratham?
Yes, sir.
But I want more improvement.
So I will try next time more.
You will try, I know you all will try. Atharva, how much you got?
Sir, 90.
No, beta, please try more, huh?
Yes. Sir.
Ganesh? Ganesh, what mark you got in MCQ? Ganesh, you can't hear me. Are you there? Ganesh is there, but he is not able to hear.
Sir, can you explain the sixth point once again?
Yes, have you gone through all the notes till that?
Sir,
Yes.
can you explain the
Yes,
sixth
sir.
point?
Pardon, beta, what you are saying?
So can you explain the sixth point once again?
I can. When two vectors are equal and inclined by 60-degree, result is √3 times. That one, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay, see. What is R ka formula? Root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Correct? We
Yes.
are telling two vectors are equal. So both are suppose AA and angle between them 60 degree. What is cos 60?
Half.
Half. So a square plus a square is 2a square plus 2a square into half. 2 cancel. √3 times a square, which is √3a. So √3 times given vector. Not followed now?
Sir. Yes.
Yes. So now till 7 point, I think everybody is comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rishita, any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
Okay. Next part. This Friday also I will take theory, because by that time your dimension wala MCQs will get over. And then Monday onwards I will start MCQ of scalars and vector wala part.
Okay, sir.
Next heading. Resolution of a vector. Resolution of a vector. See, when we say resolve, मतलब कुछ चीज सॉल्व करना है ना. रिजोल्यूशन पास किया मतलब क्या किया, कुछ तो पास किया ना नया चीज.
Yes.
The process means method of splitting. No, it's not splitting, splitting. Splitting means separating or combining?
Separating.
Separating. Process of splitting a vector into two or more than two vectors. In our syllabus, we have only two, not more than two, but it can be more than two also. Process of splitting a vector into two or more than two vectors is called as resolution of a vector. The process of splitting a vector into two or more than two vectors is called as resolution of a vector. The two resolved vectors, then I'm explaining after this theory what is meaning of this exactly. The two resolved vectors are always perpendicular to each other. The two resolved vectors are always perpendicular to each other. This is very important term. They are called as rectangular components of given vector. Please copy this much, then I'm explaining it. The process of splitting a vector into two or more than two vectors is called as resolution of a vector. The two resolved vectors are always perpendicular to each other. They are called as rectangular components of given vector.
Done, sir.
Okay. One second. Huh? Now, meaning, see, what does it mean? Suppose this is one vector. Explanation. This is one vector. I want to split this into two vectors. Those two vectors are perpendicular to each other. What are these two axes called?
X and Y.
Correct, x and y. Are they perpendicular to each other? Yes. So if this is vector OA inclined at angle theta with horizontal, I can split this into two rectangular components having same starting point O. So one vector we can take as OB, other vector we can take as OC. So OB, OC are called rectangular component of OA. Okay. If this is vector OA, इधर से एक टुकड़ा आया, इधर से एक टुकड़ा आया. When you complete this, it should become a parallelogram. Then OB, OC are called as rectangular components of given vector. Again, see. This is one vector. One I am drawing vertically upward. Second one I am drawing horizontal. Are these two vectors perpendicular? One and
Yes,
two,
sir.
are they perpendicular? Then it is
Yes.
called component of this given vector. If this is theta, then this will come given vector into cos, how I am explaining you now. So consider vector OA inclined at angle theta with horizontal. Let OB, OC be two rectangular components. Can you see the figure properly? All of you can see the figure properly?
Yes.
Can you tell me
Yes, sir.
right angle triangle OBA, what is cos theta?
60.
60? What you are telling?
Cos 90.
क्या बोल रहे हो? कुछ दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Cos theta को आप कुछ भी फेंक रहे हो. Cos 60
OB
cos
upon OA.
Ah, very good. It is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So OB equal to OA cos theta. This is our one component. Theta का बाजू वाला will be main vector into cos theta. फिर मैं और 10-15 एग्जांपल देके आपको समझाता हूँ. What will be sin theta? Will it be AB upon OA?
Yes.
AB is same as OC or not? Because
Yes.
these two are same, congruent. So can I say OC is OA sin theta or not?
Yes.
Yes,
My
sir.
two components are coming in main vector cos, main vector sin. Theta ka baju wala is always cosine. Followed?
Yes.
Two components means one will be in cos, other will be in sin. So just draw this diagram. I'm giving you some write up, then explaining you around 4 or 5 extra so that you understand resolution. Draw diagram. Consider vector OA bar to be resolved into two vectors OB bar comma OC bar from the figure. Hello, Krisha.
Yes, sir.
I have not put here bar. What does it mean?
It's not the one direction.
That means it is magnitude we are writing.
Yeah.
That means it will give you some answer at 5, 6, 2, aisa kuch to, not direction. So when you put only OB, you will get only magnitude. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is done? Yes, you all have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Not done?
Yes.
Can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just see, huh? I'm drawing many vector. 1 vector, 2 vector, 3 vector, 4 vector, 5 vector. So all possibilities I have done. This vector I want to resolve into 2. So इसका starting point से 1 horizontal and 1 vertical. If this is theta, this is f. So ये theta का बाजू वाला what it will become? F cos theta, and this will become F sin theta. Any difficulty?
No, sir. Understood.
Same way from this starting point. Now I can't draw horizontal. ये horizontal, ये vertical, ये नहीं रहेगा इसका component. It should be in the same direction, downward only. Because this is vertical, then its component can't be vertical. It will be slightly inclined. But these two should be perpendicular to each other. Not followed meaning?
Understood.
So if this is mg, this is theta, what will be this one? This one? mg cos theta.
MJ
This will be
cos
mg sin theta. Got
Sin
it? हाँ, अभी ये ऊपर दिखाया मैंने. So its component will be upward, perpendicular to each other. Suppose this is t, this is theta. What will be this component?
cos theta.
हाँ, theta का बाजू वाला cos. The other one will be sin.
Sin.
This is vertical, horizontal. If this is m, this is theta. Tell me this component.
Cos theta.
M cos theta. And this component?
M sin theta.
Okay. This is first, this is second, this is P. Where will be P cos theta?
1.
You can't say unless until I draw angle. Now tell me, first one is cos or second one is cos?
First one.
First one is
First one is P cos, other one is P sin. I hope now you completely followed.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Oh, everybody is followed now? So today we
Yes,
stop here.
sir.
Next class I will explain